If you'd love to change the appearance of your skin, but don't have days or weeks for recovery, it may be time to shed some light on the problem, specifically Chromalight. Chromalight is one of the fastest and most effective intense pulsed light systems in the world. Intense pulsed light, also known as IPL, uses exciting technology that allows different wavelengths of light to treat the skin precisely where the problem area is, without damaging surface skin or affecting the surrounding tissue. It's been successfully used to remedy a wide variety of skin conditions on the face and body, including sun-damaged skin, fine lines, enlarged pores, brown spots, broken capillaries, and even acne. Chromalight is also effective for removing unwanted hair on any part of the body, including the back, face, legs, chest, and bikini area. Chromalight's patented technology delivers a dual band of yellow and red light, which makes it effective for treating both dark and light-colored hair. Since a Chromalight treatment automatically delivers energy to the tissue under the skin, it also stimulates the production of collagen, often resulting in improved skin tone and texture. A typical Chromalight session can take from a few minutes to nearly an hour, depending on how much skin is being treated. As the pulses of light are delivered, the patient normally experiences a tingling sensation. Immediately following treatment, the skin may appear flushed and any pigmented spots may appear darker, but these effects usually fade within a short time. A normal schedule can be resumed immediately. Chromalight treatments are particularly effective for improving the appearance of the face, neck, chest, and hands. For optimal results, most patients will require 3 to 6 treatments, spaced approximately 3 weeks apart. Consult your healthcare provider for more details. Imagine smooth, clear, toned skin with minimal discomfort and no downtime. Beautiful skin at the speed of light. That's the Chromalight difference.